Hi, I'm Dave and welcome back to BrenTeck IT Support. Today we've got a new sponsored video from Meross about their smart ultrasonic aroma diffuser model MOD150. It's a Wi-Fi humidifier with RGB lights which can produce 16 million colours. It's got voice control, remote control, works with Lady A, Baby G, Siri and SmartThings. It's got scheduled timers and automatic off for when the water tank runs out as well. It's got two adjustable mist modes, high and low, with a 400 milliliter water capacity tank, which allows for misting for up to 7 to 9 hours when it's on heavy mist, and it will be running around about 30 decibels. On a light mist mode, it will be running for 12 to 14 hours, and it only has 25 decibels, so it's going to be nice and quiet. Millions of ultrasonic vibrations per second enrich the water mist with their negative oxygen ions and humidifying the air more efficiently. It's BPA-free, ultra-quiet, customizable color settings along with brightness controls. It's made of high-quality PP and ABS absorption plastics. But before we get on with unboxing, I just want to let you know about what we do. We at BrenTeck provide a whole host of online services such as online backup, remote sync, internet endpoint security for all your devices. We also do remote network management, remote support, on-site support and setup, and a whole lot more of other services, all of which you can find the links for in the description down below. But let's see what we've got in the box. So it comes with a UK power supply, the humidifier itself, and that's a lovely wood effect finish it's got on there. You've got your light and mist buttons at the front. You've got some rubber feet, so it's not going to mark any of your surfaces, which is great. You just plug the power in down there. You can take the top off to get to the water reservoir, and then we have a little measuring cup in here, which is a 150 ml measuring cup. Then got your user manual, service information, and a little instruction book. So what we'll do is we'll start by unrolling the cable. And the cable is about just shy of 2 meters. If I can find out the proper length, I'll put a note on the screen. But we need to fill it up first. Well, I'm sure, no, we can plug it in first. Then we just get our measuring beaker of water and we'll just pour that in there. Now that's only 150 ml of water from this one measure, so you'll need to use a few of these just to fill it all the way up, but you don't have to do that straight away. Then we place the cute little cover back on top and we get our mobile phone to set up the app. Okay, so I should have the phone up on the screen there so you can see what I'm doing. Now I've already got an account with them and that's already set up because I've had their devices in the past, so I was very excited when they reached out for the sponsorship. So we can see that we have a little green LED indicator light flashing there. So that hopefully means it's in pairing mode. So we'll press the plus sign. Smart humidifier and diffuser. Select the MOD110 series. Click next. We can see that it is on flashing mode, ready for pairing. Click next. And it's found it, so we can now click select it. It's obtaining the IP address, it's connected. I'm going to leave it with its default name, see if that changes anything. Click next. And we're done, it's worked. If you do set these up and you struggle to get this to go through the registration process, leave it with its default name. So we'll click done. And we've got a coupon code, just click done. and we can now see where it is. So we can turn it on from the app. It's got a new firmware update. Again, this might make that better, so we'll do the update. Okay. Yep, I've heard it turn on. And that is a light spray. It certainly is producing a lovely plume of mist coming out of there. Okay, we can now see with the studio lights off the beautiful halo effect that the RGB lighting is giving off. It's just on a random color, but you can set it to a static color, I believe. To change the static color of the light, you've got to come into it here, and you've got to select the color wheel and move the color to the line to select it. You can't just press on the color that you want. Or if you want to have it cycle through, you can just put it on auto cycle, and then it will happily go through an array of colors for you, which looks very, very pretty. And again, if you're going to put something like a lavender scent oil or any aromatherapy oils in directly to the water pot, you'll then get that aroma coming out as well, and that'll be a lovely bit of relaxation for you and your family at home. Well, now it's all set up and working on the phone, let's give it a quick test with Lady A and Baby G. Alexa, turn off smart humidifier.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on smart humidifier.
Okay.
Very quick and responsive. And Baby G? Okay, Google, turn off smart oil humidifier.
Sure. Turning the smart essential oil diffuser off.
Okay, Google, turn on smart essential oil humidifier.
Sure. Turning the smart essential oil diffuser on.
And there we go, it works really quickly, very happy with that. It does look like the firmware update did help with responsiveness. Thanks for watching. I do hope you enjoyed the video. If so, do please give it a good thumbs up, a like, comment and subscribe. Also, don't forget to click that bell notification icon. If you do want to get one of yourself one of these smart humidifiers, there'll be links for it down in the description below, along with the other products that we've got from Meross as well. You can also follow us on our social medias down the side there. And if you really enjoyed the video and want to help us out, you can give us a PayPal donation with a link down below, a super thanks, or you could even become a patron as well, all of which would be greatly appreciated. And all of those funds will be ploughed straight back into making more videos, getting new equipment, new items to review as well. Well, that's it for now. I do hope to see you all again in the future. Take care. Bye for now.